Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make, I think you probably already saw the title. So today I'm gonna be making a hummus with everything in there. It's a loaded hummus. It's not the traditional, it's my way, okay? It's my recipe. We like this way, so I'm gonna show you how to make this one, okay? Easy, very easy and healthy too, okay? Let's go see all the ingredients what we needed. Okay friends, to make hummus, we need, I boiled and I soaked in the water overnight and boiled this chickpeas. There's 2 cups I'm taking it, okay? With a little bit of liquid in there. I put it in the blender. And then I have a tahini. It's a sesame seed paste. I grind it with the sesame seeds, roasted and grinded with the sesame oil, okay? You can make it, this is very easy, or you can buy it from the store. Okay, let's put this in there. Okay, now I'm gonna add like a half a lemon juice. And 3 or 4 garlic cloves. A little bit of salt because I already add some salt when I was boiling them. So a little bit of red pepper powder. Okay. And some olive oil. A lot of olive oil. Okay, let me go grind all those things. Then I have some olives, black olives sliced, and I have some dried tomatoes. I'm gonna cut them and chop them and make it little small pieces. We're gonna add this, it's gonna taste very good. And I have some feta cheese over here, and feta cheese, we're gonna add that after we grind our chickpeas. Okay, let me go grind all the stuff, then we're gonna come back and add all this. Okay friends, I grind this to a fine paste. Then I'm gonna add sun-dried tomatoes in there, and I'm gonna add most of the olives. I'll keep some for the topping. Okay, a little bit of topping. Then we're gonna add feta cheese. Okay, and we mix all these things. Yummy, looks so good already. So it's ready. Now we're gonna put some olive oil on top. A lot of olive oil. And then a little bit of paprika. And some olives on top. Okay, and we're gonna put some whole chickpeas on top, maybe in the middle, some of them. Okay friends, it's done. It looks so nice and appetizing. And then I have some crackers over here. You can eat with the crackers, or also you can eat with the pita bread. I already posted the uploaded pita bread recipe, so you can go, I can give the link for that, so you can go check it out. It's good with the pita bread, or maybe you can just eat with the crackers. Okay, if you like my recipes, please like, share, subscribe, and write me comments guys, if how do you like my recipes, and what do you want to learn more recipes, anything else. So I will try to upload for you all. Okay, thank you. See you next video. Bye.